This video discusses PHP, MySQL, and database development, focusing on error handling and exceptions. We'll explore how to manage errors effectively when working with PHP and MySQL databases. Error handling is crucial for two main reasons. First, it ensures application stability by preventing crashes and allowing for graceful recovery when database operations fail. Second, it enhances user experience by displaying meaningful error messages instead of cryptic technical details. Let's look at some common database errors. The first one is connection failures, which occur when the server is unavailable or when you have incorrect credentials. Next, we have SQL syntax errors, which result from malformed queries or typos. Following that are permission-denied errors caused by insufficient database privileges. Finally, we encounter table or column missing errors, which happen when referenced objects do not exist. Now let's examine error handling with MySQLi. First, create a new MySQLi object with the database connection details, server address, username, password, and database name. Then check for connection errors. If there is a connection error, use die to terminate the script and output the error message. Next, execute a query. If the query fails, output an error message containing the specific error from the connection. Let's see how to handle errors using PDO PHP data objects. First, enclose the database operations within a try-catch block. Inside the try block, create a new PDO instance providing the data source name, username, and password. Then, set the error mode attribute to exception. This configures PDO to throw exceptions for errors. Prepare and execute a query with a parameter. If any exception occurs, the catch block will catch the PDO exception, allowing you to display the database error message. When it comes to error logging, follow these best practices. Log detailed information, including error messages, timestamps, and the user context to help with debugging. Also, show generic error messages to users and never expose sensitive database details. You can use the error_log function to log technical details and echo to return user-friendly responses. Here's a complete error handling example, creating a function called getUser, which takes an ID as a parameter. Inside a try-catch block, a PDO instance is created, and a prepared statement is executed to retrieve a user from the database. If successful, the function returns the user data. If a PDO exception occurs, the technical details are logged using error_log, and the function returns false, providing a user-friendly response. Here are the key takeaways from this video. First, always handle errors using try-catch blocks and proper error checking. Next, log detailed error information for debugging purposes. Also, protect user data by never exposing sensitive database details to users. Finally, provide fallback responses when errors occur to ensure a graceful user experience. Robust error handling ensures stable and secure applications. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.